Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kaushik speaking with you, and I've not prepared anything through the net or any research I've done. This is just I'm addressing a common question on what is entity framework. This came up during a tutorial session with one of my students, and he asked, he saw the entity framework lesson for a video tutorial that I am making open, and he straight away asked, Kaushik, what is entity framework? So entity framework is a object relationship mapping, it's a ORM which maps from the database to your classes in C#. So entity framework is Microsoft's trademarked ORM, and an entity, it maps each table to an class in the application, C# application, and each record of the table or each row of the table represents an instance object. That's the easiest way to understand it from a broader sense. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.